Watch this basic floor plan extrude into a fully realized room. It is rendering at 60 frames per second, right inside a standard web browser. By the end of this tutorial, you will have this exact professional-grade 3D architectural drafting environment running locally on your own machine. You will not need an expensive commercial CAD license to do it, 1.3 or higher. Bypassing traditional desktop software installations puts advanced building information modeling tools directly in the browser, opening up professional spatial planning to anyone with a modern operating system. Step 1 is getting the code. Open your terminal, clone the Pascal org/editor repository, navigate into the directory, and run the primary install command. This comparison shows why Bun is mandatory. It resolves complex workspace dependencies vastly faster. As the diagram shifts, see how standard NPM dependency trees frequently fail to link local packages. Using NPM here guarantees phantom dependency errors. Stick strictly to Bun. With the packages installed, duplicate the .env.example file to create your environment configuration. If you plan to use the real-world address search later, drop your Google Maps API key in here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. If you are on a Windows or Linux machine, launch the local server now by typing bun dev. If you're on an M1 or M2 Mac, pause here. Aggressive dependency caching on these processors causes a fatal CPU instruction panic related to Lightning CSS. To bypass this hardware bug, Mac users must force Bun to intercept the Next.js runtime directly. Instead of the standard prompt, execute bun-bun run dev. Adhering strictly to these runtime requirements guarantees a stable execution layer. By sorting out the package manager and hardware architecture now, we prevent catastrophic crashes before a single wall is ever drawn. With the server running, open your browser to Localhost port 3002. Once the graphical interface loads, click on the Wall tool to initialize your drafting state. Click on the 2D grid to plot your corners. Go ahead and draw a basic, enclosed 4-wall room layout. As you close the shape, the core engine automatically calculates the z-axis coordinates and executes precise mitering at the wall intersections. This prevents overlapping geometry at the joints. Next, open the item menu. Grab a structural fixture, like a standard door or window, and drag it directly onto one of the walls you just drew. Now, toggle your view context from the 2D floor plan over to the 3D viewer mode to see the rendered result. This diagram illustrates constructive solid geometry under the hood. It calculates a Boolean subtraction, taking the 3D volume of the door and cleanly cutting it out of the wall. Watch the cutout update in real time as you drag the item, eliminating manual mesh editing. Navigating tight interior spaces with a camera can be difficult. Turn on the intelligent cutaway wall mode. This dynamically hides any exterior walls blocking your view, giving clear interior access. Combining automated spatial snapping with real-time Boolean operations allows you to rapidly generate complex, production-ready 3D topology using simple 2D inputs. Look at the realistic lighting in this finalized room. The engine uses hardware-accelerated screen space global illumination to calculate accurate shadows, ambient occlusion, and diffuse light bounces seamlessly inside the browser. Underneath this high-end visual output, the room structure is maintained in a flattened scene graph. By mapping elements in a single-level dictionary rather than a nested tree, the building data remains highly optimized and instantly readable. Because the data is structured this way, Pascal natively supports the Model Context Protocol. This standardized format allows external AI agents to read the room's constraints and autonomously execute design changes based entirely on natural language commands. Save your project using the menu in the top left. Then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next tutorial, where we'll bridge this local editor directly with large language models. By completing this setup, you now have a functioning, queryable database of physical space running locally on your machine. You have successfully deployed a foundational intelligence layer for web-native design.